Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel. In this video you will learn how to download and install a free trial version of Primavera P6 2012. This is the latest available version of P6. This video is not for the Mac user. In this video we will learn installation of Windows based PC. Let's start download. Open browser and write here edeliveryoracle.com edeliveryoracle.com and website of Oracle Cloud will open. Here you will, if you have already an account, just sign in, otherwise you need to create a new account. This is the form for creating an Oracle account. Fill all the requirements and then press create account button. You may receive a confirmation email. Please follow the steps and create your account. After creation, then sign in. Here you will write Primavera P6. In this selection window, you will select this one, Primavera P6 Professional Project Management, and then you have a list of download packages. These are all download packages of Primavera P6 Professional Project Management. The all versions available, but we will select this top one, the DLP download package, top one, this one, this and this is the 2012 version. So just click this one, it will come into your view list. Okay, then press continue. And then this is for the 64-bit system, Microsoft My Windows 64-bit. So this is the one that we are looking for. So just the continue. Here you need to accept the Oracle license agreement terms and restrictions. Here you are agree with the Oracle that you will not use this software professionally. You will use this only for your learning purpose. So after accepting, you will press continue button and go further. It is better that you will read all. Then this window will open. Here Oracle Software Delivery Card Survey. It is coming. If you have some experience just about this software, you will be part of this cloud survey. Otherwise, close it and then download all this. There are some in this package. There are some document and some items like this documentation, API integration, database. Some are not required, but we'll download all. So we'll press download. Now this download application we need to save in somewhere. So I will create into the download one new folder and I will name it Primavera P6 and I will save it here. After saving, you need to close this browser and go back to this download, the folder where you save it, and you will press this application Oracle SSN DLM. Okay, and download. Again, give this in the download Primavera P6, this same folder where you are downloading your software, and press OK, and then next. The downloading is already started. It will take some time, so I will pause this video, and then when it will complete I will come back. Now we have done with downloading the program. Now to install it on PC, we'll go and extract this first file, extract here, and in this one we will find another zip file, so extract the other one here and open. Yes, this is the file, the P6 professional setup that we need to run and install this program. So let's go and click on this, double click, and here you have two choices, advanced and typical. So we'll go with the typical and we'll press OK, and again we have a message ready to install P6. Yes, so click install, and Primavera P6 version 2012 will install in your PC. You have this option, so select only this one, the one that is already selected. The run database configuration will not go with a run standalone database migration tool, so we'll go say OK, press OK. Here we need to put the choose. This is the database configuration window. Here we'll select the P6 professional standalone SQL database type, and then add new standalone database and connection. So we'll press here, select. So this database alias is a PMDB is okay. So next, after pressing next, we need to put the password. So put the password of your choice. If you want to change the currency, base currency, to another currency, then you can do it. Otherwise, keep it the same and say next. And now the location of the database, if you want to change the location, otherwise keep it the same. It will save in your document, and this is a single file of database that will be used by this application. So press save, and alias is saved successfully. Press OK. After that one, you need to close this one and run the application. So go back and you will find out this, put it on your desktop and run the application. Now you enter the password that you have given during installation and correct. So Oracle, here there is a one message pop-up come. The appropriate industry of your organization has not yet been selected. In admin preferences, please contact your administrator. This is not a big issue. We'll go, when we open this application, we'll fix this problem. So press OK and continue. All right, we have opened this application successfully, and now we will fix the problem that we have received during running the pop-up message showing that industry is not selected. So we'll go to the admin preferences, and here industry, and we'll click this engineering and construction. After selecting this one, you can select other one if you have a if you are belongs to other industry, but we are mostly using this application for the engineering and construction. So I'll select this engineering construction, and I will select this one and press close. So all done. Our Primavera P6 Professional 2012 is installed in our PC, and it is ready for the use. I hope you'll enjoyed this video, and I hope you will also watch my next video related to this course, and it will come very soon.